Hello everyone, welcome to our Olympic Physical Education YouTube channel. Today we are discussing about children and women in sports part 2. Sports participation of women in India. Sports participation of women in India. The first women athletes India sent were four women's athletes to the Helsinki Olympics 1952. In athletics, Nilima Gosha and Mary De Souza, while in swimming, Dolly Nazir and Aarti Saha represented in Olympics. Usha became first Indian lady enter the finals an Olympic event. Though she could not be win any medals, but she entered the finals of 400-meter hurdles at 1984 Los Angeles Olympics. Unfortunately, she lost the bronze medal. In the same Olympics, four-member squad of the 4 into 400-meter relay. PT Usha, MD Valasamma, Vandana Rao and Shinny Abraham secured 7th place. Later, Anjum Bobby George entered the finals of women long jump at 2004 Athens Olympics. In 2000 Sydney Olympics Games, Karnam Malleshwari won bronze in weightlifting in the 69 kilogram category and became first Indian woman to get medal in the Olympics, Karnam Malleshwari. Next, in London Olympics, Saina Nehwal won bronze medal in badminton in the women's singles. Next, Mary Kom also won bronze medal in boxing. In Rio Olympic, PV Sindhu won silver medal and Sakshi Malik also won silver medal. PV Sindhu badminton and Sakshi Malik wrestling respectively. Next, special consideration of women's menarche and menstrual dysfunction. First, menarche. Menarche is known as the first menstruation cycle of girl. First menstruation cycle does not mean that it is a first ovulation. However, it shows that it is just a normal pattern of the ovulation that will be soon be established. The menarche starts the different ages and varies from individual to individual. Generally, first menstruation is under 13 years. It is also known fact the activities like gymnastics delay menarche. Many studies have indicated delayed menarche as advantages in certain sports. Menstruation dysfunction. Menstruation is the shedding of the lining of the uterus that occurs regularly in women from the menarche to menopause. It produces bleeding from vagina at the last 3 to 7 days. It occurs in every 24 to 34 days of the length of the menstrual cycle. An egg is released from an ovary. This egg travels through fallopian tube to the uterus. This process is known as the ovulation. The average of menstrual cycle is 28 days. Normal menstruation cycle every 28 days. Menstrual dysfunction is characterized by dispersion in several types of the menstrual cycle. Example, amenorrhea, oligomenorrhea, amenorrhea. Amenorrhea again two types, primary amenorrhea, secondary amenorrhea. The first one, eumenorrhea. It is known as the normal menstruation cycle. Amenorrhea means normal menstruation cycle. Every month or every 28 days. Normal menstruation cycle. Second one, oligomenorrhea. Oligomenorrhea is termed as the abnormally infrequent menstrual periods. A woman who regularly goes more than 35 days without menstruating may be diagnosed with oligomenorrhea. Young athletes who participate in sports or engage in heavy exercise can develop this condition. Next one, amenorrhea. Amenorrhea is the absence of menstruation cycle. Basically, it is two types. First one, primary amenorrhea. Second one, secondary amenorrhea. Primary amenorrhea, when a woman of 18 years of age or older do not have menarche are diagnosed or primary amenorrhea. Second one, secondary amenorrhea. It happens in women who do not have normal menstruation cycle for months or even years. Over exercising can also be one of the causes of amenorrhea. Mostly women who have done instant training like distance running, cycling, bodybuilding, gymnastics, and figure skating may faces of amenorrhea. Next, female athletes tried osteoporosis. Example, see symptoms back pain, bone fractures, bad posture. Causes gender differences, thyroid problems, and improper diet. Next, amenorrhea. Amenorrhea, participation in vigorous exercises and not eating adequate calories can lead to the decreases in the hormones that helps to regulate the menstrual cycle. This can lead to irregular periods and may stop altogether. Of course, it's normal for teens to occasionally miss periods, especially in the first year. Symptoms. The main signs of the amenorrhea is the absence of the menstrual periods. In the addition to this, some other symptoms like hair loss, headache, and change in vision, development of the facial hair, and pain in the pelvic. Next, eating disorders. Disordered eating has become a major problem in the female athletes. Most of them suffering from female athletes try to loss of weight as they want to im- improve the athletic performance. The disordered eating occurs the players who want to improve their appearance in the sports like diving, figure skating, gymnastics, ballet, and etc. This can lead to serious eating disorders like anorexia nervosa or bulimia nervosa. Anorexia nervosa and bulimia nervosa, these two eating disorders. The athletes participating endurance sports like cycling, distance running, and swimming often get developed disordered eating. Many sports have weight categories like judo, boxing, taekwondo, wrestling, and etc. So athletes try to lose body weight and get addicted to the disordered to eating. Next, anorexia nervosa. First one, it is known as when someone tries to keep their weight as low as possible. It is done by the starving themselves the exercising or excessively. Basically, anorexia nervosa is the complex eating disorders with the three following key features. First one, refusal to maintain a healthy body weight. Second one, an instant fear of gaining weight. Third one, a distorted body image. The people suffering from this disorder keep thinking all day about it, and this becomes stressful. It is found that persons with this disorder may have an instant fear of weight gain. Even they are underweight, they may cut down their diet or exercise too much of loss weight. Next, types of anorexia: restricting type of anorexia, purging type of anorexia. First one, restricting type of anorexia. In this type of person loses weight by restricting calories intake. They try to achieve starvation and increases in exercises. Second one, purging type of anorexia. This kind of anorexia leads to weight loss which can achieved by vomiting or consuming laxatives and diuretics. Next, causes of anorexia: biological causes and psychological and environmental. The first one, biological causes. Sometimes genetic changes may develop anorexia. It has been observed in many causes that some people have genetic tendency towards perfectism, sensitivity, and preservedness. All these traits are associated with anorexia. Second one, psychological causes. Some emotional characteristics often contributes to inertia. Mostly young women are over obsessive towards personality traits. This nature tends them to restrict diets and starvation, being even angry. Next one, environmental causes of environmental. Since modern Western culture emphasizes thinness, this creates interest towards inertia. Magazines, newspapers, even television shows the images of the thin models and actors, which develops interest to the become like them. Later, this leads to towards the inertia. Next, symptoms of inertia. See symptoms of inertia: dieting, even thinness, obsession towards with low calories nutrition, lying about eating, constant thinking about food, drastic weight loss, feeling fat, conscious about appearance, starts consuming pills, and instant intense exercising. The first one, dieting, even thinness. The first symptom is found when a person restricts food despite he or she is thin. They starts eating low calories food. Second one, obsession towards with low calories nutrition. The person affected with the inertia starts reading food labels, measuring and weighing portion very frequently, and starts maintaining diet records often appears as initial symptoms. A person starts reading books and diet. Next one, lying about eating. A person starts lying about diet, makes excuse of may excuse to abstain from diet. They often come with excess by saying that their stomach is full is spite of the hungry. Next one, constant thinking about food. The person starts thinking about food. They try to cook for others, collecting recipes, reads food magazines, and makes meals plans or others. However, they eat very little. Next one, drastic weight loss. The body weight falls drastically. In spite of medical problems, the body weight falls quickly. Next, feeling fat. Despite a person underweight, he or she feels that they are overweight. Next one, conscious about appearance. A person starts standing in front of the mirror many times in a day. They start spending lot of times and always thinks negative about the aim. They think that they cannot get thin ever. Despite they are thin, they always deny that they are thin. Next one, starts consuming pills. They starts consuming pills like laxatives or diuretics to lose weight. They always try to find about the other drugs or weight loss. Last one, intense exercising. The tendency to start intense exercising for weight loss appears. They always try to burn calories even more than the body requires. Next, treatment of inertia: counseling, medical treatment, and nutritional treatment. The inertia involves both mind and body, therefore, a team comprising of medical doctors, physiologists, and counselor and dietitians is required to the deal with inertia. The role of the family members and friends also play an important role in the treatment. The first one, counseling. Counseling plays a vital role for the treatment of inertia. Firstly, all sick thoughts must be removed. A person must be made confident to attain the good health. A person suffering with inertia must be told about the harmful effects in detail. See, second one, medical treatment. Firstly, in inertia treatment, it must be observed that in there are any acute health used the needs hospitalization. In case of severe malnourishment, a person must be hospitalized. Medications such as interdependent anti-anxiety medications may also help with symptoms of the depression or anxiety, which are frequently associated with the eating disorders. Next, nutritional treatment. The nutrition experts to counseling regarding healthy eating. This will be help plan healthy diet to person who is suffering from inertia. The meal plans must include enough calories to reach to healthy weight. Next, bulimia. Bulimia nervosa is an eating disorder characterized by cycles of binging and purging. During the binging, a person consumes a large amounts of the food rapidly. The being eventually creates physically discomfort and anxiety about weight gain. This results person purge, purge the food eaten. Purging induces vomiting. Types of bulimia: purging bulimia, non-purging bulimia. See, bulimia means vomiting. First one, purging bulimia. The person affected by purging bulimia regularly self-induce vomiting or misuse laxatives, diuretics or enemies after binging. Next one, non-purging bulimia. In this type of bulimia, the person tries to get rid calories and tries to prevent weight gain. He actually tries to abstain from the food by skipping meals or strict dieting and excessive exercise aim to reduce the weight. Next, causes of bulimia. The causes of bulimia is not single but as many causes. There is no simple answer to the questions. Causes of bulimia: the process of binging and purging is often associated with the intestine emotions. Some common factors that may lead to bulimia are explained: genetic causes, low self-esteem, depression, mental health problems, cultural and social pressure. The first one, genetic causes. The development of the bulimia can be due to genetics. Some researchers have found that it gets developed more in case of some relative is having bulimia. There are many be a genetic factors related to developing bulimia. Second one, low self-esteem. Low opinion is yourself can causes bulimia as person observes losing weight. Next one, depression. Somebody may use binging to cope with unhappiness. People suffering from bulimia often feel depressed, so they bing regularly. It has been observed that in case of experience like death of the close relative may develop the depression and that can lead to the bulimia. Next one, mental health problems. Many psychological problems lead to the development of bulimia. From many studies has been observed that bulimia is more common in people who have anxiety disorders, obsessive compulsive disorders, post traumatic stress disorders and personality disorders. Next one, cultural and social pressure. Fashion industry and media environment create interest of losing weight that may lead to bulimia. Next, symptoms of bulimia: binge eating, purging, other signs of bulimia. First one, binge eating. Binge eating repeatedly refers to the eating large quantities of high calories of despite feeling angry. The urge to eat repeatedly develops. The person suffering from bulimia enables to stop eating. He keeps on eating until the point of physical discomfort and pain reaches. Next one, purging. Purging is a response to binging. When a person eats excessively or repeatedly after a short interval, then he may also feel guilty or regretful and full of self-hatred. Then person tries to vomit, frequently disappears after meals and keeps on trying to go to toilet for throwing up. The person suffering from bulimia may use laxatives, diuretics, or enemas after eating. Last one, other signs of bulimia. First one, fluctuation in body weight. Second one, obsessive attitude towards food and eating. Next one, disappearing immediately after eating meals and tries to vomit. Next one, episodes of overeating. Next one, signs of depression and anxiety appear. Next one, unrealistic opinion about body weight and shape. Next, isolation from society. Next, treatment of bulimia. The recovery from bulimia is long and difficult processes. This starts from psychological treatment. People suffering with bulimia needs to exposure and understand the underlying issues and feeling that are contributes to their eating disorders. Mainly a change to their attitudes towards food and weight is most essential. For the following are the ways. First one, psychological therapy, medication, hospital treatment, recovery process, educating about nutrition and healthy weight. Next, symptoms of eating disorders. Symptoms of eating disorders. Many symptoms generate in case of eating disorders. The symptoms comprise of behavioral or physical and psychological signs of the symptoms. The first one, physical symptoms, psychological symptoms, behavioral symptoms. The first one, physical symptoms, gets accumulation of fatigue. Second one, rapid weight loss in short period of time. Next one, fluctuation in body weight. Next one, sensitivity to the cold, irregular menstruation period. Next one, sense of frequent vomiting. Next, weakness, painting and dizziness. Second one, psychological symptoms, increased obsession with body shape, weight and appearance. Next one, fear of gaining body weight. Next one, increased anxiety. Next, swings in mood. Next, feeling of low self-esteem. Next one, behavioral symptoms. First one, frequent trips to the bathroom during or shortly after meals. Next one, hesitation in social gatherings and isolation from friends. Next, eating very slowly or very slowly. Next one, causes of eating disorders. The exact causes of eating disorders is unknown. Example, genetics, psychological and emotional problems and society. Next, symptoms of female triad. Symptoms of female triad: excessive weight loss, no periods or irregular periods, accumulation of fatigue, lack of concentration, occurrence of stress fractures, conscious dieting in spite of the weight loss, obsession with food and weight, consumption of laxatives, dental cavities, low heart rate, low blood pressure. Next, anemia. Anemia is condition in which a person does not have enough healthy red blood cells to carry adequate oxygen to tissues. There are many forms of anemia, each with its own causes. Loss of blood cells is most of common causes of anemia. Anemia can be temporary or long term, and it can range from mild to severe. The treatment for anemia starts with taking supplements. Fatigue, anemia symptoms: fatigue, weakness, pale skin, a fast or irregular heartbeat, shortness of breath, chest pain, dizziness, cognitive problems, cold and hand and feet, headache. Initially, anemia can be so mild it goes unnoticed, but symptoms increases as anemia worsens. Next, some discussing about MCQ questions. First question: gross motor skills involving large muscles. Gross motor skills involving large muscles. Fine motor skills involving small muscles. Second question: The period of infancy lasts till age of 2 years. Infancy period 0 to 2 years. Next, third question. Lordosis is caused by forward X generation in lumbar region. Fourth question. Hunch and back is known as none of the above. Next question. Which year first women athlete participated in Olympics? 1952. Next question. Osteoporosis, osteoporosis is associated with bones. Osteoporosis is bone diseases. Next question. In which year female athletes tried to become a parent? 1990. Next question. Which is not a factor affecting motor development? Trauma. Trauma means wound. Next question. Knocked knee is known as genu valgus. 10th question. Scoliosis is deformity related to spine. 11th question. Menarche is condition of onset of menstrual cycle. Next question. Bulimia is a too much of eating disorder. Eating disorders, bulimia nervosa and anorexia nervosa. Next question. Amenorrhea is condition of irregular menstruation cycle. Anorexia is restricted diet. Thank you.